I check this out. If you're riding around and you see these raggy houses, the grass all high up, nobody's staying in there, the roof is bad or whatever, just a vacant house.
Right.
All right, the property tax is owed on it because a family member or parents might left their kids and nobody paying their taxes. So every year the taxes go up. Say for example, the taxes on the house now is $9,000. All right, whoever holding the deed to that property, whatever like that, you go pay them the $7,000 or $8,000, even $5,000. They give you the title to it. So now you call appraisal out to the property, see what it's worth now as it is, right?
Mm-hmm.
Now, if your credit is fair, you go to the bank or the federal credit union, something like Navy credit union, something like that.
Mm-hmm.
You borrow, see if you can borrow $150,000 to $200,000, right? So now you don't pay off for the house.
Mm-hmm. Right.
The taxes, right? So now you got the title. So now you take this title to the bank or the credit union and see if you can borrow X amount of dollars, say $150,000, $175,000. They give it to you, whatever like that, right? So now you go out and find them Mexicans. They all over Atlanta. They do labor fast. You just buy all the materials, and every Friday you give them a certain amount of money for their labor. All right, when the house is complete, you call that same appraisal back after they done did everything, roof, central heating, all this. Now he give you the price, the value of the house is now $275,000, $300,000, or even $400,000.
Wow.
And in less than a year, you see the difference, right?
Right.
Now you go back to the bank again. All right, you borrow $100,000. You still got $100,000 sitting in there. You borrow another $100,000. You find another one. 3 times or 4 times $100,000. You know what I mean? In 2 years' time or whatever.